Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's eyeshadow look is inspired by a subscription that I have every month by Ipsy. I happen to get an eyeshadow by Nomad Cosmetics. The color is El Mar and it's kind of a really pretty blue. Let me show you guys. So this look, I'm calling it a splash of blue. I think it looks really pretty. This is a really pretty blue. So if you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thank you.